Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's video I'll have for you this perfect, beautiful, simple makeup look, which is my recommendation for you for a simple makeup for your work, your gym, your school, my friend. So, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching, and let's get right into this video, my friends. I have filled in my brows as usual with my eyebrow styler 10 dark blonde. Then I have sculpted them up with my Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade 10, and this is it. I have set up with my compact powder by Monreef, which is this, and I'm ready to move on to the rest of the makeup. My friends, in today's look, I will have for you a very easy look, a makeup that you can wear in your work, school, your gym, and in your daily routine. So, I'm gonna start with only my bronzer, which is this, by MUA Bronze Perfection, and a kohl by Cyan 11 Brown, which is this, just an eyeliner, which I'm gonna apply directly onto the last root, directly, one line, and my bronzer, and you will see right immediately. I'm gonna start from the inner part. I pull a line onto the last root directly. Only a brown. I choose brown because it's the most easy color, the most soft color to wear in a daily routine. So I'm gonna pull only a line directly onto the last root, nothing else. Only a soft line, my friend. And it is very easy. And on the other eye, I start from the inner part of the lid, then from the outer corner, I connect them between, and it is really very easy. You can have a black pencil, but I have to say that the most suitable for these cases, for a daily routine, for work or school, is the brown. It's the most soft. And I really do that look and in my daily life. When I'm going to my work, when I go to a photo shoot, to do makeup for Instagram, for the bride, anywhere. I do this when I'm in a hurry, which is nice and quick. I'm going to take my bronzer to have on my crease, just to do my crease with a brown. I choose bronzer that it is brown, not some others that they are more red. And this is very beautiful. As we always do, from the inner part to the outer corner. As you see, it is quick, soft and elegant. Look how beautiful this is. Very, very beautiful, very soft, my friend. Now I'm going to end up, and with my under eyes, I'm going to apply my bronzer onto the under eye area, bottom eye. With the same pencil, I will put the pencil inside the water lines, as I always do. Close your eyes, it is very easy to do that. Taking my lash curler, just to go on. In this look, my friends, I will not wear falsies. I will have only my lash curler and my mascara. I will wear my Panorama Volume Million Lashes by L'Oreal, which is one of the beautifulest mascara. And as I have told you, I will not wear falsies. You don't need, because you will go at your gym, work, school, my friend. You don't need falsies unless you want to wear them. As I have told you, I wear falsies in my real life every day. But when you're going to your gym or to your school, you don't need falsies. This is one of the blackest black mascaras, and I really love this. And on the bottom eye, a few of these. Now I'm ready to move on to the rest of the face. MUA Pro Base Jelly Primer. Always, before I have do my makeup, I have done before the whole skincare routine, as I always do every morning, evening. My creams, my serums, everything I'm doing every day. You need primer, trust me, it helps with the foundation or any base you wear, tinted product, any base, to blend very, very nicely. In this look, I will wear my Skin Glow by Bella Otni, which is Warm Base 04, a tinted product. It is a soft tinted product, my friend. And I don't want much of this. As we have told, we want a makeup look easy, quick, and soft for your school or your work. We don't need something much more heavy. So we do something very and easy and soft, my friends. And with my beauty blender, I blend the whole look. I'm continuing with my bronzer, by cream bronzer by MUA. Let's open this. On the cheekbones, on the forehead, on the jawline, and something on the nose. And with this triangle brush, I'm blending the product outwards and backwards. I have told you in a previous video, I have shown you how you can apply your contouring, setting and highlighting. Go and check out this. And on the jawline, I pull the product down. Let's clean a little the under contouring area. With my concealer, I clean the under contouring area, as I always do. Now I'm going to set up Huda Beauty Peach Pie in the Bag, my very beautiful powder. I really love this powder. Let's set up the under eye area. And of course, the whole face. I have told you that you have to set up the under eyes only with loose powders. The rest of the face you can set up and with compact, especially if you are a very oily person, choose both of the compact. In this case I want something much more thin, much more easy, so I will not use another powder. I will have over this my bronzer again. I'm gonna set up my bronzer. I will not use a highlighter, my friend, because you are in school. Let's contour a little the nose, just a little. In this case, we want a look, a professional look, a complete look, but with soft lines, easy lines. And let's use a little of my Cyan 10 Secret Lovers, a little of a peach, light peach, blush, a little, not much. You don't need very much makeup when you are in your school or work. Just a few of them. And as you see, I keep it in matte tones, very matte, because it is morning. Let's have a little more of inside the line, the pencil. Now, just a few. I think we are almost ready. Just a few of my fixing spray, because I want to keep my makeup matte for the whole day. And let's go on to another lip liner, Annie 02 Happy Nude, which is this, a nude pen, just a nude. And inside a very matte, which is this, a very matte brown bullet lipstick. And my friend, my makeup look is ready. A little more of my blush, just a little. I tried to keep it in simple tones every day, brown tones that they are easy and for all of us, and matte tones for you, my friends, because I think that at your work, school, gym, daily routine, you need a simple look. Simple, easy to use, easy to wear, little time to wear it, just in a hurry to go, as we always do. Well, my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. It is a simple look. I think it is suitable for your work or gym or school. So, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!